Yo, wait till the end of this video. You about to see the greatest view ever. I mean, I suppose you can fast forward, but why would you want to though? Why would you want to? Yeah. It's almost 5 in the morning. I meant to do this in a video, the last video I did, but I didn't go far enough. But today, I'll show you guys. I'll be taking different routes home. So if you watch part 1, there's a different route. Part 2 is a different route. And this is part 3. And this is a different route. Look at the houses, they're all different colors. It's cool. Okay. All the snowmobiles. It actually took me a minute to find this view. I lived here for a few weeks before I found this view. And then one day I was like, what's up this other place? And I went, I was like, oh my God, it was so cool. Gotta be careful. That's ice right there. You falling. Whew. Be all bad. Let's just take a moment. Take it in. Right? Look at that. Right, let's go. Oh, you know what? Let's go this way. Maybe I shouldn't have gone that way. I'll make mistakes too. It is currently negative 22. Negative 22 outside. I got frost all over my beard. You can't see it though. If I could turn the camera around, I would. Maybe at the end I'll flip it around. part 2 kind of ended when I was like, oh, up here. Now we're gonna go up here. Let me show you. See, all the pipes is above ground in Svalbard because the permafrost on the ground. You can't dig. You can't dig underground, so everything has to be above ground. Follow me on Instagram. Rob does it all. All one word. Rob does it all. Wait, shall I show you now? Yeah, I think I'm gonna take pictures and put on my Instagram. I won't show you yet. It's a little bit further away. Once we get up to that house right there, I'll turn around and show you what I see. Ooh, my hand is cold. Should put gloves on. Like that. You know what? I mean, I'm not really gonna get much higher than this. Okay, hold on. A few more meters. Ooh, my finger's about to freeze off. Yeah, I'm doing this for you. Okay, right here. Yeah, right here. Okay. Y'all ready? Whew, you know what? I'll put my glove on. Okay. Check that out. That is Longyearbyen right there. Yeah. Oh. Low battery. That's cool though, huh? Just wanted to show you guys my town. My home. Alright. That's part 3. That's pretty much the whole town. You want to see what I look like right now? Follow me on Instagram. My fingers is cold. My face is cold. My beard and mustache is all white. But thank you guys for checking it out. Rob does it all. Signing out.